This one is for you. These are Jeff's.
Ooh. Pretty.
Oh my gosh, these containers
Careful with the little dude, yeah.
These containers are tricky to open. Look at, they're so tiny.
There's 2 of them in each
So
container.
tiny.
Pink belly side.
Oh, he just jumped. Did you see that? That
A
was
wide
crazy.
stripe painted turtle.
He's got a
It's
racing
a-
stripe on him.
Yeah, a wide striped southern painted turtle.
Gavin.
Cool.
Look
And
at
then
the belly.
these.
Oh, nice.
Pink belly side necks.
That's
So we got a feisty one and a calm one.
Yep. These are for Jeff.
Mm-hmm.
This is so
And that one's
cute.
super feisty. He jumped out of my hand.
Yeah.
Back into the container. Alright.
And then there's
so
more.
Those.
And then I'm assuming those are
So
for you.
These are my pink belly side necks.
Pets. So they possibly carry albino.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe how tiny they are.
I know. They're so cute. Oh, there's a new.
Hold on. Don't be nosy. Hold on. Look how tiny.
Oh my gosh, those are really small.
So tiny.
What are you gonna name them?
Yeah, well. What's their name gonna be?
So tiny. Oh my gosh.
Porsche.
Oh my
Really?
gosh, they're so cute. Okay. Here's
Here's Mr. Porsche.
Mr. or Mrs.?
Don't know.
here's the best one of all.
Okay. Whoa.
Albino pink belly.
Oh my
For
god.
you, Mom?
Yep.
Aww. Albino. Whoa. Super pretty. How many of them are there?
Just one albino.
Oh.
So cool.
Looks scared or something.
Well, they have been in this container for an entire day.
There's
So-
merchandise apparently. There's some merchandise.
Oh, interesting. All right, you can turn the camera off.